There are places on our planet that seem untouched by time, where the world feels as ancient and mysterious as it did thousands, even millions of years ago. Socotra is one of them, a place where the ordinary rules of nature seem to have been suspended, and the extraordinary is simply everyday life. This remote archipelago, adrift in the vast blue expanse of the Indian Ocean, has been isolated from the rest of the world for millions of years. Here, evolution has been free to experiment, creating life forms found nowhere else on Earth. Socotra is often called the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean, and for good reason. Its biodiversity is staggering, with over a third of its plant life found only here. The landscape is a surreal tapestry, most famously, the dragon's blood trees, with their umbrella-shaped canopies and crimson sap, stand like ancient guardians on the plateaus. Swollen-trunked bottle trees and desert roses sprout delicate pink flowers from bare rock, defying the harsh arid climate and painting the island with bursts of unexpected color. Here, nature's rules are rewritten. Animals and plants that have vanished from the rest of the world still thrive, adapting in ways that seem almost magical. Socotra's isolation has preserved a living museum of biological relics, a window into Earth's distant past and a glimpse of evolution's wildest possibilities. The island's very name conjures mystery. For centuries, ancient mariners braved treacherous seas to seek its legendary resins, frankincense and dragon's blood, substances once worth more than gold, traded along routes that connected distant civilizations. While tales of giant serpents and mythical beasts are legend, the island's true enchantment is found in its dramatic limestone plateaus, turquoise waters, and the sense of wonder that lingers in the air. But Socotra is more than just strange flora and fauna. It's home to the Socotri people, whose culture and language are as unique and ancient as the land itself, shaped by centuries of isolation. They have survived for generations, their lives woven into the island's fabric through seasonal migrations, traditional fishing, and a deep respect for the land and sea that sustain them. Socotra is a world where humanity and nature are inextricably linked, moving together in a timeless dance of survival, adaptation, and harmony. To understand Socotra is to witness the astonishing power of isolation in shaping life, and to glimpse a world that feels both impossibly ancient and vibrantly alive. Nowhere is evolution's creativity more vivid than in Socotra's plants. This remote island, isolated for millions of years, has become a living laboratory where nature's imagination runs wild. Here the flora has evolved in splendid isolation, resulting in a landscape that feels almost otherworldly. The dragon's blood tree, with its iconic umbrella canopy, captures precious mist from the air and shades its roots, an ingenious adaptation to arid life. Its silhouette is instantly recognizable, standing like a guardian over the island's rocky plateaus. Its vivid red resin, once prized as a dye, incense, and traditional medicine, gave rise to ancient legends and was traded across continents. For centuries it has been woven into the culture and folklore of Socotra's people. The desert rose, with its swollen water-storing trunk, survives the harshest droughts. After rare rains it bursts into spectacular pink and white blooms, transforming the arid landscape into a sea of color and life. Over a third of Socotra's 825 plant species are found nowhere else on Earth. This extraordinary diversity makes the island a global hotspot for botanical discovery and scientific research. The cucumber tree, the only tree-sized member of its family, and rare frankincense trees cling to sheer cliffs, their twisted forms shaped by the relentless struggle for survival in this rugged environment. Each plant is a living sculpture, a testament to adaptation in a challenging world. Their forms are as artistic as they are functional, shaped by centuries of evolution. These unique forms are precise solutions to Socotra's extremes: heat, drought, and fierce winds. Every curve and twist tells a story of survival against the odds. Walking here is like exploring a gallery of natural wonders, where every step reveals a new marvel sculpted by time and the elements. Every plant tells a story of resilience and ingenuity, thriving where few others could. Their survival is a testament to nature's endless resourcefulness. Socotra's flora commands both wonder and respect, reminding us of the power and beauty of life's endless adaptations. Socotra's animal life is as unique and extraordinary as its plants, shaped by millions of years of isolation from the rest of the world. Here, evolution has taken its own path, resulting in a remarkable array of creatures found nowhere else on Earth. With no large predators to threaten them, reptiles and birds have flourished in this safe haven. In fact, an astonishing 90% of Socotra's reptiles are endemic, meaning they exist only on this island, making it a true sanctuary for rare and unusual species. The Socotran chameleon, with its subtle colors and slow movements, blends perfectly into the landscape. Endemic geckos and agile skinks have adapted to thrive in every available niche, from sun-baked rocky crevices to the cool, leafy canopies of ancient trees. Birds like the Socotra starling and the dazzling sunbird have evolved distinct songs, plumage, and behaviors, free from the competition and predators of the mainland. Their calls echo through the island's valleys, a soundtrack unique to Socotra. The insect world is equally remarkable. Endemic species like the striking blue-legged Socotra Island baboon spider and countless other insects display colors and forms seen nowhere else, each playing a vital role in the island's delicate ecosystem. Without natural predators, many insects have grown unusually large and diverse, filling ecological roles that would be impossible elsewhere. Their abundance supports a complex web of life, from pollinators to decomposers. Every habitat, from the sun-drenched coastal plains to the misty high plateaus, reveals creatures found nowhere else. Each landscape is a living laboratory of evolution, with animals perfectly adapted to their unique environments. Offshore, Socotra's nutrient-rich waters nurture vibrant coral reefs teeming with life. Over 700 species of fish swim these clear waters, some of which are found only here, adding to the island's astonishing biodiversity. Dolphins and whales are frequent visitors, passing through these waters and making the marine ecosystem as vital and dynamic as the land itself. Their presence is a reminder of Socotra's connection to the wider natural world. Socotra's biodiversity is a living testament to the power of isolation, a place where nature's creativity has flourished, and every creature tells a story of survival and adaptation. Socotra's climate and geography have shaped its extraordinary world. Powerful monsoons bring harsh, dry winds for months, then shift to cooler, rain-bringing mists in winter. This seasonal rhythm dictates all life here. The island's topography is a mosaic: white sand dunes, dramatic limestone plateaus, and the soaring Hajir Mountains. The mountains catch moisture, creating lush highlands where dragon's blood trees thrive. Water from these heights sustains life in the lowlands. Each landscape, beach, canyon, cave, offers unique challenges and opportunities for adaptation. The island's geology and climate have driven the evolution of its unique species. Socotra is a powerful example of how environment shapes life. The Socotri people are as unique as their island. Isolated for centuries, they've developed a distinct culture and language, Socotri, passed down orally through generations. Their lives follow the seasons, herding livestock, fishing, and migrating to find water and grazing. Their deep knowledge of local plants is legendary. They use leaves to heal, resins as medicine, and bark for rope. The dragon's blood tree is a pharmacy and toolkit in one. This traditional wisdom is a priceless resource, honed over generations. Hospitality is central to Socotri life. Guests are welcomed with warmth and whatever food is available. Community and cooperation are essential for survival in this challenging environment. The Socotri are the human heart of Socotra, guardians of its traditions and ancient soul. Their resilience and knowledge are vital to the island's future. Socotra's people and nature are inseparable. Socotra's history is woven with legend and mystery. Its strategic location made it a crossroads for ancient trade. Frankincense, myrrh, and dragon's blood resin were prized exports. Greeks, Romans, and Egyptians knew of Socotra, and ancient sailors left inscriptions in Hawk Cave, a guest book of the ancient world. Legends abound. Dragon's blood trees said to spring from slain dragons, giant serpents guarding treasures, and the mythical phoenix nesting here. Early Christian tradition claims the Apostle Thomas was shipwrecked here, and for centuries, Socotra had its own form of Christianity. Though that faith faded, its echoes remain in folklore and place names. Socotra's past is a rich tapestry of myth, trade, and cultural crossroads. For travelers, Socotra is the ultimate escape, raw, remote, and untouched by mass tourism. The journey is challenging, but the rewards are profound. Standing beneath a dragon's blood tree or watching sunset over alien landscapes inspires awe. The silence, clear skies, and wild beauty create a sense of peace and wonder. Activities are elemental: hiking, swimming in freshwater pools, camping on deserted beaches, and exploring coral reefs. Encounters with the Socotra people offer rare insight into a resilient, authentic culture. Visitors are humbled by the simplicity and contentment of island life. Socotra challenges perceptions of what's possible in nature. It's not an easy destination, but its difficulties preserve its magic. Those who visit often describe it as the most unique place they've ever seen. Socotra faces mounting threats from the modern world. Climate change brings unpredictable cyclones and droughts, endangering species adapted to stable conditions. Invasive species and overgrazing by goats threaten the regeneration of iconic trees. Unsustainable development and tourism risk damaging fragile habitats. Balancing progress with preservation is a delicate act. The erosion of traditional culture and language is another challenge, as younger generations look outward. Protecting Socotra's biodiversity and heritage requires both modern solutions and traditional wisdom. The island's future depends on the choices its people and the world make today. Socotra is a priceless jewel, a living laboratory of evolution and a sanctuary for unique life. Its UNESCO World Heritage status recognizes its global importance. Protecting Socotra demands conservation and support for its people, blending science with traditional knowledge. Efforts to restore dragon's blood trees, control invasives, and promote responsible ecotourism are vital. Losing Socotra would mean losing irreplaceable stories of evolution and resilience. The island reminds us of the planet's fragile biodiversity and our duty to protect it. Socotra's story is one of hope, life flourishing against the odds. Its people and nature are deeply connected, offering lessons for our own world. It is our collective responsibility to ensure Socotra's unique light endures for generations to come.